This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, Deepak, Jyoti.
Hi, Anmol. Good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning. So, let's get started with whatever query questions you have. So, yeah, who wants to start? Yes, Deepak, you have any questions?
Yeah, Anmol. First thing is can you tell more about the listener rules, Anmol, like when we will be using, like there are different listener rules, right?
Hmm. Okay,
So, sort of,
so yeah, I'll talk about it. Okay, so what we have as, okay, let me share the screen and tell you about it. Just give me a second. So, what is meant by listener and what rules we have there? So, let's discuss that. So what is meant by listener is that we have a load balancer, right? So at start, let's say the traffic is coming to the load balancer, and you have a users here who are going to request anything from the load balancer. And load balancer, we have here the EC2 machines, and so that's something we have as the AHG. So AHG will increase or decrease the number of instances as per traffic, but in middle we have something called as a listener. So listener is what? Listener is basically going to listen to traffic from load balancer, and it is going to forward that one to the AG. Now, behind the scene AG we have, and again here we have a target group. So actual terminology here we have a target group. So where we have to forward traffic to it's a target group. So listener is the one who is going to take the traffic and who is going to forward traffic. Now on what basis? So listener has actually two activities. It has to simple forward traffic to the target group. So within the listener, if you just just go to load balancer settings, so there you will get one option called as listener, and listener will get listed there, and listener is going to forward traffic to the target group, which target group it is forwarding traffic. So that's what you see, and then you what you do is that what listener also does for you is that it is always going to listen the traffic from the this end also. Okay, so let's say here I have three machines, and you mentioned the port number in the listener, that on which port number it is going to listen. So let's say you have mentioned the port 80, so it is going to listen on the port 80, that it is always going to send a request to this each of the EC2 machine, and it is going to check like do I receive the response on port number 80. So if required, like if it just able to heard that response, then the listener will say okay, the my EC2 machine is good. Okay, but if the listener is not good, or like listener is not able to heard any request, okay, let's say the first issue did not respond, so what listener is going to assume that this is something there must be some problem. Okay, it is going to ask you one more time that are you there. So it will check twice. Okay, like that frequency we can set up by ourselves, like we have one health check parameter, so there you can set up that this thing, that how many times you will be listening it, if it's good or bad. So it is going to ask one more time to EC2, and if still the response is not coming, in that case, listener is going to declare that instance as a unhealthy. Okay, and that you should be able to see it in a target group, that instance is unhealthy. So if the instance is unhealthy, like it is just a declaration from the listener and target group, then further listener is not going to forward traffic to this EC2. Okay, it is just going to forward traffic to the this machines. Okay, and it will be keep whether this EC2 is up or not. Okay, so because of this reason we able to actually come to know that this load balancer should be forwarding traffic to this EC2 or not. Okay, just assume that we don't have a listener. In that case, what will happen, that load balancer will not come to know whether this EC2 is alive or not. Okay, if it is not alive, then still load balancer might send a request there, right? So that's the reason listener is there, which is going to make you understand that your instance is healthy, and its job is simple, that just take the traffic and forward it to the whichever the target group we have mentioned. Now you can also set up the rules. Okay, let's say you would like to set up rules that something traffic coming on this port, then forward the traffic to this target group. If traffic comes on this port number, then say forward traffic to some other target group. Okay, so something like that also you can do it. Okay, so these are the rules we can send it, like keep it there. So based on your requirement, you can also do this thing.
Okay, so the rules will be only based on the requirements, right?
Yes, yes. So
Okay,
until you have some requirement, you don't do. Okay, usually if your application is just exposed on port 80, so you just keep it simple.
okay, sure. And Amal, one more thing. Uh, Initially, I have created a target group, like I have followed the steps. I have created instances. Okay, now I have updated my launch template with the GitHub credentials or the steps which I have to perform for the website to be deployed. I have been updating it, but it's not getting updated. So what I did is like I have terminated the instances manually,
Hmm.
and the new instances which were up in the target group, it was showing unhealthy only.
Okay, it is showing you unhealthy.
Yeah, the
Okay,
new
so
instances which were created, those were showing unhealthy only.
okay,
So
so
why?
okay, now again, here you see the just theory. What I explained is that listener is going to check on port 80 that whether your application is working fine or not. So can you please just confirm one small thing? Just log into your EC2 server, okay, any one of the, okay, which showing unhealthy, and check the port 80. I mean to say that check the status of your Apache or whichever the application you're trying to run. Check the status, okay, service Apache to status, something like that. You can check the status, and then after that you'll come to know whether that particular thing is working fine or not. I mean, port 80. So that could be one reason. Like when you're trying to execute the commands of a user data, there must be some problem happen. Okay.
Actually, I was trying to install the code, Amol, like the from GitHub. Okay, once let me share you my screen. Is it okay if I share you my screen?
Yes, sure, sure. Go ahead. I'll provide you the access of present present access.
So this was the first one launch template, Amol. So in this thing, let me show you. So this was the user data that I was using at start. Okay.
Okay, one second, one second. I'll check it. How you guys see that thing in a big picture? Okay, yeah. Now let me see. Okay, one second. What you have written is that hash element have been bash. Okay, yes. Okay, what you have done that yes and then pipe. Okay,
I
rather
was
what?
just
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Okay,
no,
okay. Do
this was
one thing.
working fine. Amol, this was working fine.
Okay,
Okay. Let me come again, and
so you have created second version. Okay, and within the second version, just go to advanced detail. Then okay, there itself, there itself. Go to advanced detail. You have already created second version, right?
yeah, but here I have updated this one. So this one I have updated it, but here it is not showing that. But let me go with the new one once again.
No, stay there. Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. Okay, wait, 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 wait. Go back to the launch template part.
Launch template one.
Yeah. Now here you have a two launch template. Now which one you would like to edit? Card website one, is it?
Yeah, for the second one. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Scroll down. No, no. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. So here in the second, you're saying that you don't get. Okay. So what you will do here? Go to advanced detail. There itself on this second version you have selected, right? So go to advanced detail. Go at last. Okay. Yes. So here you can say that sudo apt update. Okay. Sudo apt install git -y. Sudo git clone. If you're cloning the code, then you'll say cd var sudo mpdr. No,
So I
wait.
think
Okay,
this is
so
the issue.
okay, I'll tell you. Okay, what are the issues you have? So go back. Yeah, scroll up. Now, what you say? Action. Yeah, say modify template, create a new version. Yes, click there. Go to last user data. Yeah. Now, what you will do here? You have to make few changes. Okay. So first of all, say sudo apt get update hyphen get update. Same thing at down. Install git. Okay. Now here you're gonna say this is the Ubuntu system, right? Which system it is?
Yes,
Okay,
Ubuntu
so
only.
Git is already installed. No need to install Git. Remove that line. Second line. Okay. Sudo git clone. That URL you have put it. Okay. Now here, you just have got the code. Okay. Now first of all, you are not installing here Apache. Okay. Can you see any of the command which is installing? No, right?
No.
So there is nothing running on port 80. Okay, that's the reason you got the unhealthy status. So do one thing, sudo apt get update. Below to that, just write sudo apt get install apache 2 hyphen y space hyphen y. Okay. Now you're done with the installation of the Apache. You're installing now. Do one thing. You got the code right. So in front
Mhm.
of you have the code. Okay. So just say, okay, like whichever the directory you are. Okay, that does not matter. Just say instead of cd war and then all of these things, just go there to cd line. Remove that cd line. Okay. Just say cp
Okay.
copy hyphen r and
Send.
then no, not that. Okay, just say card website because in front of you have a card website. Okay, like we just imagine you're done copying. Okay, next thing what you're doing is you're just simply saying copy card website slash star. Okay, like whatever you have there inside and then space var www html and slash. Yeah, that's it. Now just remove all of this thing. Yes. So now your script seems to be great. Uh, yep. So that's something you will say. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Now
for
just
like
say,
basically because of this one, it is showing unhealthy.
correct. So now say create a template version, and I hope in AG you must have selected latest template, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yep. Just do now. Okay, and let me know on email or something whenever you're done.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Please stop sharing so that I can go to next one.
Thank you.
Yes. The other Deepak is only you, right? Like I can see two Deepak.
Yeah, Anmol, it's me only. So it's connected
Okay.
with the others. Yeah, thank
No, no, no problem. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'll move to next. Sushila has put one query, or she has actually sent me the query. So, hi Sushila. You're getting issue when you're trying to get update Linux machine get error when such checking it some of the version of Linux. Okay, so Sushila, is your query solved, or like I didn't get your question? Like you're saying that apt get update is something that we're supposed to do?
Amul,
Hello,
just a
Sushila.
second. Yeah, am I audible, Amul?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
No, Amul. While using Linux, I am not able to do that apt get update. Then I created one more instance Ubuntu. Then while we are using demo, we are not able to connect to the password. No, the same issue. We are not even though I am giving the correct password, I'm not able to, and two different issues with Linux. Apt get update is not updating, not able to install that my SQL server. If it is Ubuntu, their near password, I'm not able to enter into the database.
Okay, okay, I got your query. Okay, so firstly, when you're trying to do apt get update, so okay, so depending on which particular Linux flavor you're using, you need to change the commands. So in the first case, you're using the Amazon Linux. Now for Amazon Linux, we the apt does not work. Okay, apt packages does not work. There we have a we have to use a Red Hat one, which is a yum repository. Okay, you should be saying the yum update.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, so that's a first query. Okay,
Can
so
I, where can I get that commands? I can go like install MySQL for Linux on Google search.
yes, so let's say whenever you are trying to install, so that's then it's important to mention what particular Linux distribution you're want to execute a command. Let's say you want to install something Apache 2. Okay, now you would like to install Apache on your Red Hat, then commands are going to be different one, that you have something, let's say yum install httpd. Okay, and when you're doing the same thing on the Ubuntu, you need to say apt-get install Apache 2. So this is it's important for you to write the commands, like while searching, just mention that you're trying to execute this command on Amazon Linux 2 or Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, so the documents then tell you what is the command, yum command you have to put.
Yeah, M
Okay,
command is like apt get update for
yum
Linux.
update is like apt-get update. It's we have a difference in the Linux distribution. So if you're using Debian based Linux system, that is Ubuntu, in that case it's a apt is the package name we use. If you're using CentOS or Red Hat, okay, in that case it is a yum is the package name we have.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so just search it. Okay, like let's say you have to install what MySQL, so just say MySQL install on Amazon Linux. So if you search, okay, you should get the document.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. About your second query, okay, you got something similar query there. Okay, now what I can do here is, okay, let me do one thing. I have the other videos, like for previous sessions I have just taught. So that video I'll send it to you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
that would be
Actually,
a little bigger.
I did not get
Yeah.
what's going on. The whole day I spent on this errors, continuously trying to search on internet. Did not get what's going on itself. Multiple times after that only, or at the end of the day, I was able to know that apt get update will not work for Linux. Then I started using Ubuntu. I created Ubuntu. Then the same, I have sent you the screenshot. Now the errors are penetrating.
Okay, okay. So yes, you're correct here that apt commands will not work for Red Hat instance, okay, or Red Hat or Amazon Linux, okay. So now onwards, do remember that. So it just work on the Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu Debian based machines. Okay, so there are
Okay,
two
Amol.
families actually we have. One is Red Hat family. One is Red Hat family. Okay,
One is Red Hat, another is.
Debian,
Sorry, Amol, I did not
Debian,
get.
Debian,
Debian.
Debian, Debian. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, Amol.
Yeah.
On the previous your class, you are able to connect to this DB without any error, Amol. Previous when you tried, because
Yes,
you
yes.
and
Like
I got the same error. Like
no, no, no. Okay, okay. Like I have done this thing, like probably multiple times. Okay, at least for 7 to 8 batches, I have taught this same thing. Okay, so
And I have
uh,
one more doubt. Is it
up.
because of my AWS account? Is there any issue with the account? Because both of us use the same account in demo
No, no, no,
as
no.
well.
Okay, no, no, no. Actually, what happened that you send me the credentials, but I able to recover that account. Okay, on that day itself. So sorry to I don't did not be able to inform you, but I don't have even login to your account, and that should not create any problem. Okay, even though if I would have, okay, that should not create any problem.
No, not about the weekend. I'm saying, well, demo, we use the same, no? While creating RDS, you used my account. Is it that because of the AWS, is there some setting issue that we are not able to connect to this RDS? That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yes, I think during the demo I was using your account, right?
Yeah.
Uh, okay, yeah, it could be the problem. Okay, then I need to check your account. Okay, so okay, let me know. So are you using your default VPC
Yes, default VPC only.
for creating RDS and for while when you were trying to connect to EC2 machine, it was a default VPC, right?
Yes, Amul.
Okay, so connectivity shouldn't be the problem. Okay, do one thing. Okay, I do have your credentials, right? I'll check it. Do you have the database running right now?
Running, Amul. It's running.
Okay, so give me an hour. One second. I have to. Okay, let me think when I can resolve this. Okay, I'll try. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I'll after the class, I'll just immediately try to troubleshoot. Okay, maybe in 1 hour. Just give 1 hour. I'll check and will update you on mail. It could be
Okay,
your
Amul.
it could be your account issue now because I have done this multiple times. Okay, I don't know why on the date didn't work on your machine. I mean, with your account. Uh, do you know how to do telnet?
No, Amul. I don't know.
Okay, so telnet is something you can just try. Okay, I'll just try and we'll let you know the command and steps if I able to resolve your issue.
What is Telnet, Amul?
Telnet is basically connecting like the way we do SH. Okay, it's a other option we have as telnet, but SH is a secured one and telnet is something you just connect directly. So
Okay.
connect, yeah,
Without the public key pair.
yes. So SH is we do secure login and telnet we can use it to check the connection. Okay, like is
Okay.
you able to reach there?
Okay.
Yeah,
Not aware of the Telnet, Amul.
no problem. Okay, just Google these things. Okay, that will help you.
Okay, Amul.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Cloud Shell is Chakrup. Cloud Shell is like a we are creating one environment, and through that environment we can just try to log in and something. Correct? Yeah, yeah. Cloud Shell is like you will have an environment through which you will try to log into different systems, something like that. It is. Okay. Any other question, guys? Okay, let me ask Jagrup. Do you have any questions from your end?
No, more everything is good.
Okay. Okay, great. So Deepak, Prathamesh. Hi, Prathamesh. Hello, Prathamesh.
Hello?
Yeah, hi,
Hello?
Prathamesh. Yes.
Yeah,
Do you have any
not it.
questions from your end?
Not it. Not.
No questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. Then it all looks good. Fine. We will stop here.
Amul, I have mailed you something, so can you please look in your free time and reply on that part?
Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Actually, I have mailed you on last week, I think. I will just mail you again once again my things.
Yeah, I can see your mail.
So, in your free time, please reply on that part. And for this project, also the steps which I have done, I will just mail you for that. So,
Okay, fine.
sure. Thank you.
Uh, okay. Or else can we do it this way? Deepak, tomorrow maybe probably we can discuss this in the project meet itself. Or do you want me to just yeah, have one to one or like something like that?
Yeah,
I mean,
anything
the
like
whatever
whatever you, it is a
yeah,
good
like the
way.
whatever the questions you have asked, it's I can say those are good and probably beneficial for others also. So if you don't mind, can
Sure.
we just discuss all this in tomorrow's project session?
Sure, Amul.
Y- Yeah. Okay, fine then. I'll just give you the answer for each question there. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Then we'll stop here for today. And yeah, see you there in tomorrow's session. Have a good day. Bye bye.